Hello everyone, welcome to this Monday service. And this is customer number 318. And the problem, customer saying us that the iPhone was not able to turn on. It's able to turn on, but it's boot looping. It's like Apple and restart, Apple logo and restart continuously. So after inspection, we found there is a short on the sensor, LED sensor, and the camera. They are the same connection. So we replaced the new one, and it's able to turn on now. So I'll let you know if you have the same problems. You can send it to us for repair. And that's it. And see you on the next video. Bye bye.